Do you know you can actually make money from referring your friend to a particular product? Hi guys, my name is Olaoluwa, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys few how you can actually make 50,000 naira or more just on your mobile phone alone. So this is basically a business model called referring marketing, and this is where you refer a friend to a particular product. They simply buy the product, then you get your own commission. So this business model is actually a business model which require recommendation, a word of mouth, where you actually convince a friend, like you actually try a product and you refer that particular product to another friend, and that particular friend to buy that particular product. So you gain more commission from you referring that particular platform to another person. So why do these people really pay you to even refer every other person to their business? So some business are actually coming up out there, and the only way they feel they can actually reach more people is to integrate the referral program into their business model. So almost every international business that has to do with online these days are actually using referral system. So even a small scale business can actually use a referral marketing system to their business to actually start making money for themselves. So in this video today I'm going to be sharing few apps and websites that you can actually use to start making money for yourself through referral marketing. So now coming over to my screen here, the first website which I'm going to be showing you is called Piggy Bank. So I'm very sure this is not strange to you. You must have been hearing about Piggy Bank. So Piggy Bank is a platform where you can actually save and invest money. So if you actually like someone like me who have always want to save, I don't want to like spend money anyhow. So Piggy Bank is a platform where they help you to save money. So as you can see right here, the better way to save and invest. So Piggy Bank help over 3 million customers achieve their financial goal by helping them save and invest with ease. So this platform is actually a platform where you can actually save your money. So I'm very sure this is not the first time you are hearing about Piggy Bank. So Piggy Bank is a verified platform where you can actually save your money or even invest. So you can actually invest in money, like you invest 200,000 naira, and in the next 365 days, which is a year, you make more than that. You can make close to 250,000 or 300,000, depend on the kind of saving platform which you are actually saving for. So Piggy Bank is a platform whereby you can actually save and invest money. So why did these people, why will they actually pay you? So they actually want to reach out to a lot of people, so that is why they integrate a referring system into their marketing. So Piggy Bank actually has a referring platform whereby you can refer people and even make money from it. So I'm on their FAQ platform here, which is referral program story. So how do referral work? So when someone sign up to Piggy Bank using your referral link, so this referral link is assigned to everybody on the platform, on that app. So they have an app, so everybody has a referral link. So when someone sign up to your Piggy Bank using your referral link, you and the person have referral each and 1,000 naira. So when you refer somebody, that person has 1,000 naira, and you too has 1,000 naira as well, which is paid into your save log. So this matures to your flex account after 10 days once the referral is marked valid. So they're going to verify between 10 days to verify that user. So as a new user, your bonus will be paid into your save log and mature to your flex account 10 days after you've been marked valid. So this is where it comes. So this is where you're going to use word of mouth. Like I'm very sure you have a lot of friends out there, you have a lot of contacts, you have a lot of people who have not even heard about this platform, you have a lot of friends which you believe can actually make money as well online. So this is what you simply do. You can simply be sharing your link to some of your friends. So what you simply do, share this link to some of your friends, tell them about this platform, because this is what Piggy Bank actually wants you to do. So what they simply want you to do is that share the link, your referral link to them, let them know about how this platform works, how they can make money as well, let them know how they can save their money, how they can invest on this platform. You can imagine you referring 50 people, that is 50,000 naira for you, and you are not limited to the amount of people you can actually refer. So you can refer as much as people you like. So you can imagine you referring a lot of people, and those are your friends as well, they are referring people as well. So that means you're simply making a whole lot of money for yourself. So who is a value user? So all these things are what you need to go ahead and read more. I'm going to be dropping the link below this video, getting started with all of these, and now you can start making this good money for yourself. So who is a value user? To be considered value, a new user must link their BVN and fund their flex with at least 100 naira via a direct bank transfer to their flex account number. So this is very simple to do. So that means before anybody can even receive that money, you need to make for them to validate you as a valid user. So that means you need to put at least 100 naira inside your account. So the moment you have 100 naira inside your account, you receive the 1,000 naira, and the person you refer as well receive the 1,000 naira. So this is a cool way you can actually make this cool money for yourself. So how can I check my referral? So the moment you install this app on your phone, and you have a dashboard where you can see your link which says earn 1,000 naira per invite, click on it to see if they have value. So this is very cool for anybody to actually make some cool money for themselves online. So you can simply try this by sending your referral link, your close friend, anybody you know around you. Just share this link to people. And how do you actually convince people? So you really need to let them know the importance of them using the platform. So as a student or any other person out there who don't want to spend money anyhow, because if you really want people to really come to this platform, to join this platform with your own referral, you really need to let them know the importance of this platform, how this thing is really going to benefit them, not just telling them to use your referral link and make 1,000 naira for themselves. People will be like, how much is 1,000 naira? But when you let them know the importance of it, people will really want to jump on this. They can even go ahead and save as much and even more than 100 naira or even 100,000. Like people want to invest and make some cool money for themselves and even save for their future. So this is a really cool way anybody can jump into your referral link and sign up using your referral link, and when they sign up, you get the 1,000. And you can imagine you having a lot of people jumping on this your referral link. So you can imagine you have 50 people or 100 people, that's 100,000 or 50,000 for you. So this is simply where you can actually make money for yourself. So Piggy Waste is a better way to save and invest money. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video. You can simply go ahead and read more information how to even really make some cool money on this platform for yourself. So I really want you guys to go ahead and jump on this, as this can really fetch you some cool money. So withdrawing your money is not really a big thing. It's very seamless for you to withdraw. So they simply ask for your bank details and you link every necessary things, and you get your money very seamlessly. So this is a very cool way you can start making some cool money for yourself and even your friend out there. So the number 2 platform which I'm going to be sharing with you is called Cowrywise. So Cowrywise is almost like the same business model with Piggy Bank. So this is like you having First Bank and you're having GT Bank. So they almost work the same way, but trust me, there are some more information on this particular one. Like there's another cool way aside from you just referring your friends or family to join this platform. So just as you can see, I say get your money working. So to be build discipline and access financial to that steadily grow your finances. So Cowrywise is almost like Piggy Vest as well. So how do you earn referral bonus on Cowrywise exactly? So I'm very sure you must have heard about Cowrywise. They recently partnered with a lot of businesses. So this will tell you these people are actually genuine and they're going to pay you as they say. So if you jump on their platform, they're going to pay you. There are a lot of testimonials about this. I've been using this. I have close to like 16,000 naira on my account, I mean, which I've referred people, and these people jump to my link and I refer these people and I make money from these people that use my referral link to sign up. This is a testimony to you that this is really working, and you need to just simply jump on this. So now here it says, why do we give referral bonus? So at Cowrywise, we believe that every business for their customer must be rewarding. Referring your friend to us should come with some perks. So since we already offer top deals, free deliveries, and blah blah blah, we decide to add an extra topping. Today we are announcing a more robust referral program. So they have different kind of referral program here. So right here, when you get a referral link here, so you can simply refer anybody, and when anybody use your referral link, so you get paid for these people. So as you can see, as I say, how much can you earn from referral bonus on Cowrywise? So for a start, you earn 1,000 for every successful referral you make. So those also refer same amounts you earn into your stash every month. So you refer somebody, you make 1,000, and the person you referred as well make 1,000. The same way Piggy Bank will work. So this one is a kind of, so a referral is successful after the person you refer has saved or invested up to 5,000, and after you both earn bonus. So after that you both earn bonus. So this is another trick way. That simply means you need that person you refer have to have 5,000 in their own account before you can get your own 5,000, and that person as well have another 1,000. So that's to make that you have 1,000 and that person has 6,000. So this is another cool way. So this is simply to tell you that you really need to convince these people to jump on this platform to make this cool money for themselves. So another ways you can actually make money is to for students who are really in campus. So as a campus ambassador, you are part of an highlight group for the Cowrywise. So extraordinary comes with a great offer. It's going to be fantastic welcome pack, access i5, blah blah blah. So how do you do that? As also a campus ambassador, you earn 1,000 per referral, but the person you refer has to save at least 500. So if there are students out there, the person you refer does not really have to save up to 5,000. So the person only need to save up to just 500 naira, and you have to be a student. So if there are students out there, this is another cool way, aside from people who are not students. So students out there, you can simply make your 1,000 naira when that person you refer only save at least 500 naira to their account. So the proceed that paid into your stash every month sounds like excellent way to make extra cash, doesn't it? You would like to give a campus ambassador. So what you simply need to do is to click on this. I'm going to be dropping the link below this video anyway, so just go ahead and click that link, and you're going to be shown a page where you're going to apply as a campus ambassador. So there are another ambassador group which you can join here, which is corporate ambassador. As a corporate ambassador, you get rewarded for sharing Cowrywise with your colleague at work. You can also get free access to exclusive events, early access to amazing Cowrywise features, and enjoy sponsored event collaboration. Finally, you earn 1,000 per referral, as well the person has up to 5,000. So this is for people who are already in business. So this is a cool way anybody can actually make money. So when you create an account, you are going to be shown a referral link where you are going to copy that link and share to more people, announce this to people, and people begin to jump on this platform, and you simply start making money from anybody who join this who join this program using your referral. So this is another cool way anybody can actually make money for themselves online. So simply go ahead and jump into the link which I'm going to be dropping below this video, and start making this cool money for yourself online. So the third and the last platform which I'm going to be showing you is called Truth. So this is a kind of different from all of this. So Truth is an investment platform. So if you are a person you've heard about what is it called, saving, buying stock and all of that, so you must have heard about Truth before. So Truth is an investing platform whereby you can buy stock and sell stock. You can buy bonds, EFT, and you can even earn some little as 1,000 naira bonus on every transaction you do. So this platform as well, they have a referring platform. So the referring platform is actually when you refer somebody to this platform to become one of Truth members who is trading with them. So Truth pays you some commission when you refer anybody to this platform. So this is Truth is a platform where a lot of people are actually using. So even a lot of big companies like Netflix, Facebook, Dangote, Uber, Apple, Twitter, and Gmail are actually using. So then how do you make money from this Truth exactly? So let me simply load this page again and show you guys how it works exactly. So this page is actually how it works. It's explain how it works as well. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. So if you go over here, you see how to use our referral program. So when you invite your friend to join Truth, you both earn a free stock. So you earn the free stock and you know how much a stock is actually. So there are different stock which you can actually buy. So before you to buy this stock, you need to have money. So when you refer somebody to join this platform, so you don't really need to buy stock anymore. You don't need to buy much stock. So you're going to be given some free stock which you can actually use to be trading and be making some good money for yourself. So once your friend's application gets approved, we credit both of your accounts with a free stock of GT Bank or Dangote Sugar. You can imagine you having a share from GT Bank share or even Dangote Sugar. So this is another cool way you can make money from stock every single day. So you can imagine you referring good people who you know that can really jump on this. So they are simply going to jump on this, and you guys can actually make some cool money by buying some shares, which can be a kind of more expensive, but with you referring somebody to join Truth, you have this here for free. So depositing funds to your wallet is another thing you can simply do. Just read through all of this and you get paid for all of this. So this is another cool way anybody can actually make money for themselves. So this is a referring platform whereby you try to convince people to buy something, to jump on something, and when they jump on it, they make money and you too make money as well. So everybody actually wants to make money. So this is another cool way anybody how they can actually make money. So I made mention of 3 platform. I made mention of Piggy Bank. So I'm going to be dropping the link to register to Piggy Bank below this video. So simply follow that link and you're going to get 1,000 bonus. If you don't follow that link, you might not get 1,000 bonus, and I won't get as well. So I want you to get and I'll get as well. So when you follow that link, you get 1,000 and I get 1,000 too. So you can imagine you referring this to more people. You are simply making some good money for yourself. So another one is Cowrywise. So this Cowrywise almost work the same way like Piggy Bank as well. So you can go ahead and read the terms and conditions how you can simply make money from these people, and with this you need to make some cool money for yourself. So the third one I make mention is Truth. So Truth is one of the popular stock platform in Nigeria out there. So you can simply jump on Truth if you are a person who is into buying stock and reselling bonds and all of that. So you really want to jump on this and refer more people to join Truth and start making money for yourself with all of this. So this is these are cool ways you can actually make money for yourself online. So you can really read more content on this platform, create your account, fund your wallet, trade away, and withdraw anytime. So you can simply jump on trading on this platform because you really want to make money and have a good life for yourself. So this is a cool way anybody can actually make money online. I hope you guys find value in this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Hit the bell icon to get notified. And what does that do? This notifies you anytime I drop another video, so you'll be the first to get their notification that I drop another video, and you can jump on it and start watching any amazing video which I've dropped as well. Please like and share this video so as to reach out to more people who will be interested in watching this. I'm going to be dropping more video very soon, so I need you guys to stick to this channel, as I'm going to be dropping more content for you guys on this channel. So thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you guys.